What's up, guys? I am back with another box opening. As you can tell from the title of the video, I'm opening my second Target exclusive Panini Prizm pink box. I already cut the sides a little bit, to make for less time. Where's my pink Starburst? I just had it. Hold on one second. Okay, I found it. You can see pink to go with the pink box. You can see my new Zeke that I pulled in my select box. Let's get into this. I'm not expecting anything in this opening. Let's see what happens. Okay. Sorry if you hear something. It's probably the TV. Got Giovanni Bernard. Sorry it won't focus. Cole Beasley. Noah Spence Prism. Former Buckeye. Devontae Parker Pink. The last box I opened, I pulled a Zeke jersey and an Ashawn Robinson autograph from Alabama. Michael Crabtree. Ronnie Hillman. Ricardo Lewis Prism. And a LeGarrette Blunt pink. Cool. Third pack. Okay, so we know it's not as Dak or Zeke because they are redemptions, I believe. But we're going to save that for last. Marcus Wheaton. Marvin Harrison. Cool. Michael Thomas. Rookie introductions. Devin Fuller rookie pink. This is going to be the jersey. Chris Ivory, which I don't believe played at all last year. Doug Martin. Nice Tyler Boyd. Prism rookie. And we got Alex Collins jersey. Cool. Now let's see who the auto is. Got Martellus Bennett, Isaiah Crowell, Tamarick Hemingway rookie prism. And it's upside down. Ooh, I like it. I already know who it is. Von Bell. It looks like there's a blue stain over there. I don't know what the hell that's from. But I like it. I don't have an autograph of his, and he is from. You see it? UD Ohio State. What is this blue thing? I'm gonna try to get that off somehow. Hopefully I don't damage the card, but there you guys have it. Another box, another Ohio State pull. Sweet. Going to the PC. So that's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next. Got a Sage Hit Blaster coming in, and not one but two rookies and star boxes. And 900 subscriber giveaway video coming soon, so stay tuned.